Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain you one of the important application that is Files of Nextcloud. This particular application can be seen at the top of the screen. It is being used for centralized files, folders and document management. So this is the home screen of Files application. Now let's begin. So this option, here you have multiple application. So this is one of the unique features that I can see because this is compatible to Microsoft Office. You have Word document that is equivalent to Microsoft Word, spreadsheet equivalent to Microsoft Excel, presentation equivalent to PowerPoint. So you have other applications which are equivalent to MS Visio or other PDF, etc. So these also can be added here. So now, if you want to share this particular files, Excel file with your recipient, then it's very easy. You just need to go to this particular tab, Details, click here, go to Sharing. So you can just copy this link and paste it to the email or the chat window. Now you can share this with the particular user or the group of users also. Now let me move to the comments. So here, whatever comment you give can be seen by the ones whom you have shared the particular file. So you can just share this file to the group or to the individual user. So in case if you want a particular person to see that, you can just mention that person. Now what happens is, whenever you give comment, the next person can see the previous comment and can work on that. So when it comes to a team, you can give a comment to the entire team and then the team can see, and based on your previous comment, the work can be done. Isn't it interesting? Then we have activity. So I like this activity because it gives a complete transparency of file. We can understand who has given what comment at what time. So I can just say like this is like a timeline of comments, activity. Next, versions. You can see the multiple version of the file here. Chat. Another important one is chat. It is a part of another application, Talk, which is virtual meeting application where you have video call, audio call and chat. Chat application is integrated with file application. So suppose if you join the conversation, say I have given here a comment, "Hi project team, please update the status in an hour." So you too can give this. You can mention it to the particular person or the group of user. And instead of going to the Talk application, you can just directly start call from here because it is interlinked to the Talk application. Let me begin with a folder. So here you can share the folder to the internal, external, or you can even assign to a particular team. For example, if you have a finance team, then you can assign to the team by using this particular option. So only finance team can access this folder. Comment, as I've mentioned earlier, you can give the comment which will be reflected in the activity. So another interesting feature of files is you can map to the local drive. What you have to do is just copy this link and let me paste it in the local drive, computer, and finish. click on finish. Let me update the username and the password. Okay, so let's see. It has been created. And now here you can see next text document. I've just created a dummy file. So let's see here. Under documents, just a moment. Demo test. Yes, you can find this here. Now, what I will do is, let me just delete it from here. So, I've deleted this from here. Yes, let's delete. And let's check whether it's here. See, you just cannot find it here now. Now, how do you retrieve these data? Now, okay, you want this. How do you retrieve it? So, let me just go to the deleted files. Okay, so you can find it here. Let me restore this one. Okay, it's not there in deleted files. Let me check whether it's here now. See, you can find it here. Isn't it amazing? So you can just retrieve. Okay, now let us check here. Now, let's see whether it's here. Oh, see, you can even find it here as well. So don't you feel it's an interesting one? It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, so what happens is you need not log into the folder. You can access it in your desktop. Now this feature is not available in Microsoft O365 or Google Drive. Next, now what you can do is, now sometimes you might have some favorites. So you can just have favorites here. You can add to the favorites. The star mark, you get the star mark, that's favorites. So whichever is important ones, you can just add to the favorites and keep it at the right top. There are many more features like setting, retention of files, find duplicate files, etc. All these features will be explained in the future video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned with Intelsin. My name is Fazana, signing off.